writing the steps in which you will be sharing, okay?
Okay.
Project presentation. Let me write first, then I will explain. And tomorrow we will do a project rehearsal. As you do stage rehearsal for plays, we will have a project rehearsal. Okay? So let me quickly write it down. First of all, you write it down, then I will explain it to you. Don't worry.
What is the second one?
Second one is exploring the project. If you can't understand my handwriting, ask me. I will anyways read it.
Ma'am, what is the fourth one?
I will read it, okay? Project approach. Please listen to me, all of you. A, project approach. B, exploring the project. C, process or steps. D, problem identification. E, problem solving. F, experiences. Okay, now quickly write it down, then we will see what to talk.
Done.
Done writing? Okay. Now, Divyans and Advait, I am talking about the project and you see whatever you wish to contribute, you can do. We have been, your friends have been making their home garden, okay? So, in whichever way you want to, you can. Now, I will share a small PPT that I've already shared with your friends. So,
Okay,
this
ma'am.
really help you to understand what we are doing. For
Okay, ma'am.
Web and Divyan. Now, my girls, have you written it down?
No, writing. I wrote it down.
Whoever has written it down, put a thumbs up on your screen so that I can see. Shreya, done? Okay.
Yeah, you can change it.
Okay. Let's all of us finish. Shreya, Divyan, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So when you are done, just give a thumbs up on your screen. Now, Sarah, Shreya, and Kshitija will talk. I will not talk. Then I will share the PPT. Okay? All of you know what you have been doing. So it
Yes,
is.
ma'am, but what will we speak, ma'am?
What you will speak, let's see what you will speak.
Ma'am.
Huh? What happened? Have you written, no? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
I have written it.
Very good.
First, Shreya will say. First, Shreya will say, not me.
Okay, I will decide. Okay, now Shreya, Sarah, Kshitija. Sarah, can you briefly talk about the central theme to all of us? Whatever you have understood so far.
Okay. The central theme of our project was freedom for all. Like we should respect every living thing, plants, animals, and humans, every living thing that's on the earth. And freedom for all means like we should not kill the plants, we should not kill animals because the animals are being extinct of this world. So we have to take care of them and we have to grow more plants. And
And can you correlate this with your activity, Sarah?
and to represent that, we growed a home garden. We growed some plants. Everyone grew their own home garden to grow plants, and everybody will get oxygen. And we should grow at least one big plant or at least 2 small plants to help the environment.
Excellent, dear. So this is exactly how you will open your project. Okay. So the last part that you said, that you can talk a bit later after you have presented your home garden observation sheet. So this is for all of you, Kshitija, Shreya, and Sarah.
Okay.
You heard Sarah, right? How she said. So in your own words, you will say. So that is the first point. Okay? But that is A. What have you understood about the project? That is your
Project approach.
yes. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
All of you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, what is B, Shreya? Tell me what is B? B.
Can't hear you.
What is point B?
Problem identification.
Respecting.
What is B? Tell me. Who will tell me what is B?
Exploring the project.
Exploring the project. Now, Kshitija, what can you say in this regard? Whatever you are understanding, let me hear you. Then I will speak.
Yeah. So exploring the project, like the project we have done of making a home garden. Ma'am has given us that so that we can explore and see how does the plant grow and what is the process of germination and what is the first part to come out and other things and what does a plant need. That's it.
Now, my next question to you will be, how will you associate this, what you just said, to the central theme of your project?
Exploring the project.
That is what exploring the project, right? You are doing a home garden and this is the central theme. So where is the connection?
Like everybody should have the freedom to live. We have no right to take anybody else's life. It could even be a plant. So it's essentially telling that just the way we have the freedom of exploring, let the plant also live and grow big.
Exactly. Exactly. So, Sarah, Shreya, Kshitija, and my 2 boys. For the boys, I think it is kind of a story. So you listen and enjoy. And
Yes, ma'am.
for my girls, it is your responsibility and this is how you have to be speaking in your project presentation. Right? Make yourself proud. Okay?
Okay.
I am proud of you, but make yourself proud. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
I am always proud of myself.
who was that?
I'm quite proud of.
Kshitija आई ना? Ah. Okay. What is C? What is C, Sarah?
C. Process steps.
Yes. Shreya, tell me the steps. What will you say?
Freedom for all.
Yes, but what steps you did in your project?
Home gardening.
Yes, so tell me the steps, no? Remember the first class when you came? That was your first class, no?
Yes.
Yes, so tell me the steps. You remember
How to grow plants.
what have you done? You remember that, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, now tell me this.
I have planted a plant.
You didn't plant a plant. You planted a seed. Yes, Kshitija, I'm coming back to you. So Shreya, let me ask you this. What is your mother tongue? Kannada.
Yes.
So if I ask you to speak in Kannada, the steps, will you be able to speak, yes or no?
And
That means you know, right? Yes or no?
yes.
Now your job is to speak in English. Whatever you know in Kannada, you need to speak in English. You are understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Okay, whatever you have done, at least speak first 3 points in Kannada. I will not understand, but I want to know that you are able to speak. Speak, that's okay.
No, I'll speak in English only.
Speak, very good.
I planted a seed. It grew a little. I think 2 centimeters.
No, that is why you have your observation sheet. You will say on the first day there was no growth. On the third day, I saw a growth of this much millimeter or centimeter. It is written, no, in your sheet.
Yes.
That is why I have asked you to write the observation. Whatever you have written, you will read that, bacha. No problem, right? So for Sarah, Kshitija and Shreya, these will be the steps or process, right? Whatever you have done. And the process actually started even before you planted the seed, right? You arranged for the seed, for the soil, for the containers, right? So it started then, isn't it?
Yes.
And then how every day you saw your garden growing, right, Kshitija?
Yeah.
Now ask me, what was your question?
Ma'am,
Kshitija, you wanted to ask me something, right?
No, I wanted to tell the answer.
Yes, tell.
And then
Yes.
he is not telling.
Hmm?
He is not telling the steps one.
You tell your steps, Kshitija, whatever you have done.
Yeah, what I planted mustard and tomato, but tomato did not come. It got fungus, so I had to throw it. But mustard came. So what I did was I took a plastic container. I took a tissue and wetted it. Then after that, I scattered my mustard seeds and I kept it in the sunlight. It took, I think, a day or two for the root to start coming out. The next day it started growing so rapidly that I did not know it. It was growing so fast, and now it's about 7.7 centimeters.
Okay, excellent. So you add more numbers, right? This day when I measured, this was the length. This day when I measured, it was this.
I've written it in my observation chart.
That is what we will be talking about. It is as simple as that. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Shreya, Sarah, are you clear?
Yes.
Very good. Excuse me. Divyansh and Advait. I hope you are understanding a bit of it.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how we are yet to confirm the date of the project. If both of you want to, from today itself, after the class, you can sow some coriander and methi seeds. Do you want to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It is very easy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is very. Don't worry. Whatever.
After planting, what do we do, ma'am?
Yes.
After the seed, the roots come out. What do we need to do?
You will plant it in. Can you get soil, Advait and Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you get some plastic container? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And get some
Plastic container.
any plastic container.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you can put some soil, and over that you can put the. Tomorrow we have a project rehearsal for your friends. So then you can actually see what they are doing. And that
Okay, ma'am.
will help you to present your whatever you grow. Doesn't matter, whatever be the length. Okay?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
about that in the presentation. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Perfect. Sarah.
Yes, my plant has grown so tall that it's bending and it's not see like bending.
So can you, do you have sticks at home? Skewers, wooden skewers?
Yes.
You can put a wooden
Yeah,
skewer,
I have.
in the soil, and with a tiny thread tie your plant with the skewer. Then it will not fall.
Okay.
Please stay. Okay?
Okay.
I saw the pictures that you have sent me. That really grown tall. This is what your bean?
Yeah. The coriander didn't grow at all.
Never mind. So did you planted any other thing or only bean?
Yes, I planted chili, but it didn't grow.
Not a problem. Now, what's A, B, C? What is B, Shreya? Shreya, can you hear me? I can't hear you. Unmute yourself. What is D? Read for me. Yes, Kshitij, I'm coming back to you.
What is? Huh?
D.
Problem identification.
Problem identification. Now, did you face any problem while you were doing your home garden? Yes or no?
Yes.
What problem? Tell me.
Ma'am, here no sunlight.
Okay, one, no sunlight. Next.
And I planted so many seeds.
Hmm.
It was just like jungle. I can't water it.
Okay. Next. Any other problem? That's it. Now, how did you solve the problem of sunlight?
I left it 2 days and I kept it in sunlight for 3 to 4 hours.
You solved the problem, right?
Yes.
And how did you solve the problem of too many seeds planted together? What did
I didn't do anything. Just I pulled the root
and
and I planted it in the another bowl.
so your D is problem identification and E is problem solving. You solved your problem, right?
Yes.
This is what you will be saying.
Oh, D is problem identification and E is problem solving.
D, yes, D and E, yes. Right?
Yes.
For Sarah, your problem is, what problems you face, Sarah, tell us.
That when it had when it in the first days it wasn't growing at all, so then I kept it in a place with more sunlight and then it started to grow.
So, D, you know what was the problem, and E, you solved the problem, right?
Yeah.
Now, you had one more problem. What was that? You had actually two more problems.
I had then when the plant was too tall, then it was bending a lot.
Yes, that is a problem. Your coriander did not grow, right?
Yes.
And your bean took a very long time to germinate, right?
Yes.
What did you do about that when it was taking so long to germinate?
Then I put it in the sunlight and I gave it water 2 times a day.
You solved the problem, dear. Didn't
Yes.
you? Yes. In the same way, we can also solve the problem of deforestation. We can also solve the problem of endangered species, right?
Yes.
We can solve the problem of animal cruelty. Don't you think so?
Yes.
Exactly. Kshitija, no problem you face.
I don't know, but my tomato plant got fungus. It did not grow. Then the mustard, which I put in the tissue paper, I used to water it regularly, so it used to stink.
Then what did you
And when the mustard grew, everything just falls apart.
now, Kshitija, can I see your
And then after some time, and after that today I saw so many red ants in my mustard container.
can you show your container to me right now? Is it possible?
Yeah, and I let me tell you what the
Okay. Shreya, your garden is there downstairs, no?
Yes.
Fine. And Sarah's garden is portable. Sarah has a portable garden, huh?
Yes.
Sarah, you planted your beans in 2 containers or 1 container?
1 container.
1 container. Now, okay, let Kshitija come back, then we will talk about the last one. Now, Advait, Divya, what do you have to share with me till now? Whatever you have heard your friends say, what have you understood so far, Advait, about the project?
Ma'am, they told what they did for the seeds to germinate, and when they got problems, how they solved it.
Yes. And have
Actually, my mother is kind of like a fan of plants. We have 2 balconies with their plants.
excellent. Excellent. You are so lucky to have a mom like that. Lovely. Now, have you understood the central theme, Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with us?
When they told it, I understood that it's for freedom. You need to give everybody freedom.
Can you tell it in your own language, whatever you understood? Whatever
That
it is.
respect everybody. Don't kill them.
Everybody.
Plants or animals.
Yes. So you have understood like quite a bit of it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Girls, I am coming back to you. Give me a minute. Divyan, What have you understood till now?
I've understood that we should not, uh, we should grow plants more and more for us and to maintain the balance of the nature, basically.
Excellent. So, if I ask you why your friends are growing the home garden, but the theme is freedom for all, how will you join two idea? What
I don't understand what you're saying.
the central idea is freedom for all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please, can I see you this dance? Then it will be easier for you to understand. Is it possible?
Your voice is crackling.
Is it possible for you to show me yourself, Divyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me yourself? Can I see your face? The central theme is freedom for everything that is living, right? That you have understood, isn't it? Now, how did you understand that why your friends are growing a home garden under this theme? Yes or no? Somewhat little? No. Okay. Never mind. It's okay. It's okay. Kshitija, show me your portable garden.
Yes, I will. Quite bad. See what the ants have done to my plant.
But your plants have grown.
Huh?
Your plants have grown, na?
They have grown, ma'am, but it's full of red ants, and see the condition they have made out of my plant.
Kshitija, can you get a plastic container and some soil and transfer your plant? Is it possible? Tomorrow morning?
Now?
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. My roots are fine, thankfully.
Yes. So then your plants will be safe and sound. Okay? Try doing that.
Come.
You can use 2 pots and equally distribute your plants. Okay? Perfect.
Okay.
Now,
And the red ants can.
and the red ants can?
Have all of the. They spoiled my plants.
It's okay. They are also living creatures, no? You have to be compassionate towards ants also.
But they should not spoil it.
Why? Why?
I would have done something else to spoil, not this.
Why? They don't know, na? This is Kshitija's plant. Then, yes, Sarah, coming back to you. What is F? F is experience, right?
Yes.
So, this is where you will conclude everything and you're free to talk whatever you feel like. Okay? So, just do a quick try. Tomorrow we will again do elaborately and concentrated. Like Sarah will start with A and finish at F. Then we will move to Kshitija, then Shreya. And in the background, you can keep your PowerPoint going. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes.
Good girls
Yes.
and good boys. Yes, Sarah, tell me your experience.
I had experience that sometimes it's also hard to take care of plants when you forget to water them, then they like become ruined. And I was expecting it to grow fast, but in the first days it was growing really slowly. So now I know how slowly plants grow. But when yesterday it was just 20 centimeter, and today it had just grown 23 centimeter, and I was really surprised. So I've seen that in the end it goes fast, but in the starting it germinates really slowly. And that's it.
And all together, how will you say that why do we give freedom? Why? Why to plants? Why to other animals? Why not only to human beings?
Give what?
Freedom.
Freedom.
Yeah, our
Because,
central theme. Yes.
yeah, because we also need if plants weren't there, then we would die, and if we were if we wouldn't have died anyways, the animals would have also died. We will also die, but when the animals will die, then we will not have food and they will be extinct from this world. So if so that's why we need plants. Animals also need plants. They'll eat it and then they'll give food to us to live.
Please. In your higher classes, based on this theme, you will know what is a food chain and what is a food web.
For the food chain.
Okay? Okay. Nice that you know, Kshitija. Shreya, can you talk about your experience?
First day I did not see anything. First day I saw a little plant. I don't know it's a extra plant or methi plant.
Okay.
Then second day I saw a seed and a seed coat.
Mm-hmm.
Then third day it was the same.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth day the seed coat fall down.
Then
it growed. First day it was only 3 or 4 centimeter.
Mm-hmm.
Second day it was already 7 centimeter.
Okay. Excuse me.
Third day it was 11 or 12 centimeters.
Okay. Fine. And all together, what can you say about the project title and your experience about your growing your home garden? Think as if Shreya is thinking.
Can you tell once again?
Okay. What is your understanding and what information, education, and knowledge you got while doing this project? The central theme of the project is freedom for all, and you did the activity of growing your home garden, right?
Yes.
So all together, what is your experience about the project? What education you have got from this project? What experience?
I started loving growing plants.
Excellent. What else?
Before this, I am not.
Yes. Before this?
I have not planted any plant.
Okay. Yes, Sarah, I'm coming back to you, dear. What else?
Then I started knowing how to grow plants.
Lovely. And now do you know the importance of growing plants and not killing animals?
Yes.
What is that? What is the importance?
When we grow a lot of plants, it will be cool near our house.
And why not killing animal is also important? Why we should give them their freedom? Why?
Because plants eat nuts and some fruits. It takes that seed and throws somewhere.
And
Then The plants started growing where they throw the seed.
Yes, that is true. And forest is also the home for all the animals. Yes. Okay. So tomorrow we will start with A and we will end at F at one go. First, maybe Shreya or Sarah will speak, and one by one all of you will speak. Is it clear?
Okay.
Kshitija, just give me a minute dear. I'll come back to you. Is it clear?
Yes.
We will do it. How you will present your project?
Yes.
Yes.
And you can always look at your presentation and take help and talk about it. Now, Sarah, what was your query, dear?
It wasn't related to the lesson. I just wanted to switch off the AC.
Did you switch off your AC?
No, I have to go and switch it off now.
Go. Yes, Kshitija.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, dear. Tell me. Hello?
Oh, you can't hear me now. Now can you hear me, right?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this plant is like this. What do I do with it? I throw it?
Dear, your video has stopped. Can you show me it again? Show to me it again.
This.
Where ants are having a party, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So I told you, right? Take a container, put some soil and transfer your...
Ma'am, will it be alive?
What, dear?
Will it be alive?
Yes, it will be. Don't do it now. Do it early in the morning when there is very less sunlight. Do it and lightly sprinkle it water. Sprinkle it with water. It will grow. I believe it will grow. Okay, don't press the roots too hard. Just loosely put it. Okay, and cover it with soil. It will grow. Okay. So now, Kshitija, Tara, and Shreya, by tomorrow 10 a.m. you will be sending me your PPT. Will you be doing that? Yes or no? Good girl. And
Yeah.
for Tara and Shreya, you have one more job to send me your assignment, right?
Okay.
Don't worry, Shreya, you will get your assignment. Nothing to worry. I'll take care of it. Okay? Now, I will come back to you girls. Divyang, do you have anything?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, all my girls can go and drink some water if they want. Divyang and Advait, if you have any query, please ask me. Divyang and Advait, are you there?
No, ma'am.
Advait, do you want to ask me anything? Any confusion? Advait, I can't hear you. Divyang, can you try speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Divyang, do you have any questions for me as of now? I know this is a very new thing for you. This is your first class. Even then, now can you tell me what have you understand? Whatever you understood.
Ma'am, I understood that. I basically can tell you about this project or by glance only.
whatever you heard all of us speaking from that, whatever you have understood, you share that with me.
I understand that we should not kill or abuse animals or plants. We should grow more plants to maintain the nature, and if the plants will not if the animals will not survive, the plants will be very much in the world.
Yes, yes. To quite a large extent, whatever you are telling is absolutely correct. Now, again, going back to Sarah. Sarah, are you back?
Yes.
Sarah, can you again quickly help your, tell your new friends, Advait and Divyansh, quickly about these examples. Advait and Divyansh, please listen to Sarah carefully. Yes, Kshitija. Yes, just a minute, Sarah. Yes, Kshitija.
Okay, after Sarah, I will tell
Yes,
something else.
One by one, all of you will say. So first, Chipko movement, Sarah.
Chipko movement was like they wanted to care for the nature, so they started to hug trees. That they wanted to represent that they love the trees and they should not chop off trees. So they made a Chipko movement, and they used to hug the trees and that to show that they love plants.
Excellent. Advait and Divyansh, understood? You, both of you can read about Chipko movement if you wish to. Now, Kshitija,
Yes.
share with your friends. Extinct animals.
Yeah, what should I tell about it?
Whatever you know, share. Why they are extinct? What is extinct? Why they are extinct?
Many animals got extinct because of climate changes and because of deforestation, and the main reason was because of forest fires.
And what is the meaning of extinct, Kshitija?
Extinct means there's not been one of these creatures which is there on earth, and they will never even come back.
Excellent. Exactly like dinosaurs, right? They are not going to come back. Only in movies.
And no one even wants them to come back.
Why?
They're dangerous. Nobody wants dinosaurs as pets, maybe.
I know. Yeah, it will be fun, no? What, Kshitija? No, we don't want them to come back, huh? Okay. Shreya, can you talk about endangered species? I know you can talk, Kshitija. Yes, Shreya. Yes. It's okay. Yes.
These are endangered animals.
And what does that mean?
Danger.
Ma'am, can I tell?
I know you know. Let's Shreya try. Shreya, look at me and speak. Forget anybody else. Look at me and speak.
Ma'am.
Mom, I don't know it's correct or wrong.
Don't worry about it is correct or not. You just say. We will
These
see.
are very dangerous.
Okay. No, they are not dangerous. We are dangerous for them. Okay. Endangered means only very few of these animals are left on the planet Earth. They are about to become, they will vanish. They will become extinct. If we don't stop killing them, if we don't stop killing our trees and chopping our forests. Okay, clear? Shreya?
Yes.
Yes. Kshitija, you want to add something?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, why does the bison look like that, ma'am? Does a bison actually look like that?
Yes, it does.
Asia have gorillas?
If you find out and tell me. Isha has gorillas on. Now, Sarah, can you please explain this picture?
Yes. The first picture is of the original first cover. It was the forest in the you can see the green parts. Over there are all the animals and the plants and the forest. So at that time there was more greenery, and then in 2005 the greenery had just vanished because people were chopping off the trees and they were killing the animals. So the green part has reduced.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely correct. Advait is there. Divyant, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You can understand, no? The pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
Good boy. Now, Kshitija, talk about this.
What should I tell about it?
Whatever you wish to.
This is the forest fire which happened in Africa.
Hmm.
No, not in Africa.
Not in Africa, North America.
This is not America. This is the Amazon fire. If you can see it on the map, it's really shown the fire. During this, many animals died and many got burnt.
Yes. So, at the end of everything, we are not giving them their freedom, right?
And ma'am wishes us not to see those pictures.
Yes, what?
And you only told no, ma'am, that we should not see those pictures.
No, not this one. That was for animal testing.
No, you told for this also that you not see the burnt animals, those
Yes,
pictures.
yes. Like, it will break your heart. That's the only reason. Shreya was telling me something. Were you?
No.
No? Testing on animals. We are not giving them their freedom. We are caging them and we are doing everything for our benefit. Now, all of you know that scientists are working to make the vaccine for coronavirus, right?
Yes.
Before it is tested on human beings, it is tested on animals. Just to see that it has a bad effect on them. Nobody is taking permission from animals, no? Because they are animals, they are not humans. We are not giving them their freedom.
Ma'am, what is that cat is wearing?
It is an gauge instrument that is again used in multiple experiments.
Before
what is that?
sending humans
for?
to space,
Yes, Shreya.
before sending
That's the
humans to
year.
space,
Before sending humans to space,
they send a dog.
yes, absolutely.
What is the dog's name?
What was its name? I
It starts from L.
forgot. Can anybody tell me what was the name of the dog?
It starts from L.
Yes, I completely forgot. Okay, and if you wish to, you can also talk about these
It was Laika something.
Leica. Okay. Now, girls, if you wish to, in your project experience or the understanding of the project, you can also talk about these activities. That I leave it up to you. Okay. If you want, you can. I've already asked you to look them up. Right? Jane Goodall, Ingrid Newkirk,
Ma'am,
Yes.
the dog is Laika only.
Leica. Okay. Leica. Okay. Rico Barry, Steve Irwin. you can also talk about them and use your understanding where to put. If you want to share anything about these activities. Anyway, tomorrow we will have a rehearsal. So prepare yourself, and tomorrow we will go one at a time. Okay? And you can say around 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes for each of you. Okay?
Okay.
And yes, Tara, are you telling me something?
No, I didn't say somebody
No,
else.
ma'am, I am asking something.
Yes, Kshitija.
What to take, ma'am, for 15 minutes?
I can't hear you, Bacha.
I don't only ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Kshitija.
What would you take, ma'am, for 15 minutes?
From A to F, you will speak. You have your presentation also.
Ma'am, that will get done very fast. No, ma'am, it will get done very fast.
Let's see. Tomorrow, that is why we are doing a rehearsal. Will it get over very fast or very slow? I can also ask you questions in between, or there can be other teachers asking you questions, or maybe your parents can ask you something if they wish to. Right?
The presentation day is on Monday.
I believe it is yet to be concluded. You will get to know shortly, don't worry.
Okay.
Now, Divyan, girls, I'm coming back to you later. You be there. Divyan, is there anything you want me to ask? Is there anything you want me to clarify for you?
No, ma'am.
Excellent. So tomorrow's project presentation, you be there and you will understand how your friends are doing, and that will also help you to present whatever gardening you do in the presentation. Okay, Divyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, girls, do you have any questions before we wind up the session?
No.
Are you
No.
sure? Sarah, sure? No question?
No.
Shreya, is it absolutely clear?
Yes.
Excellent. Kshitija?
No, I have no questions.
Excellent. So if none of you have any questions, shall we wind up for today?
Yes.
Now, when are you sending me your presentation?
Today or tomorrow 10 till
When? When? I told you the time.
tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the morning.
Exactly. So, along with presentation, Sara and Kshitija will forward me your assignment. Okay?
Okay. Can we send the PPT today?
Yes, absolutely. That is your last, that is your ultimate. That is
Okay.
the end by which you must send. You can always send me before.
Okay.
Okay? And anything else that I want to say? Let me think. Not as of now. If tomorrow I have, while you do your rehearsal, I will keep on adding if I have to, or any suggestion. Okay?
Okay.
Perfect. So, Divyan, no questions as of now?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Girls, shall we wind up?
Yes.
And yes, Kshitij.
Ma'am, can we play a game?
You want to play a game? What game? Ask your friends, don't ask me. Your friends will be
Ma'am,
participating.
where is your cat?
We also play, ma'am.
Ask your friends, no? My
Where's your cat, ma'am?
cats are sleeping there. It's their nap time.
How many do you have?
I have two. They are like I have adopted them. And two more I'm fostering. As in I'm helping them to grow. Then I will find homes for them so that they can have their permanent home. So as of now, I have four. Kshitija,
Let's play.
ask your friend what they want to play. They want to play or not. I will join in.
You want to play? You want to play? I'm asking you.
Okay.
Okay, I'll play only 5 minutes.
Okay, so I will play 5 minutes. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Play name, place, animal, thing. Ma'am, even you will play, no, ma'am?
Yeah, I will play. Who will start?
I will play name, animal, thing.
Yes, Divyan can also play. Divyan,
Yes, ma'am.
you know name, place, animal, thing, right?
Noun.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so who will start? Kshitija.
Letter.
Yes, Kshitija, tell me.
Ma'am, which letter?
Anything, bacha. Choose your own letter.
Okay, Sarah, which letter?
R.
S. All of your names start with S, no? S. Go.
S. Okay. Okay, Sarah, you start.
La. She was the initiator, now Sarah start. Okay, Sarah. Start. What? Nobody is playing. Okay, I will start. Snail. Snail.
Okay.
K.
Snail. Snail.
No, ma'am, you must tell a name, place, animal, and thing.
Oh my God. Name. Oh, Baba. Name. Snail is a name. Animal. Snail is an animal. Name, place, animal, thing. Baba re. A screwdriver. Sharjah. Name. Place. Animal, thing. Name.
Place. Ma'am,
Place?
place you have to tell.
Place, I
No,
said.
ma'am, place you have to tell.
Place, Sharjah.
Ma'am, what did you tell, ma'am?
Sharjah.
Huh?
Muslim country. Sharjah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Screwdriver, snail, and name Sasikala. Chalo.
Okay. I next.
Yes, Kshitija, say.
Sarah, Siberia, snake, and a screw.
Okay. Who goes next? Sarah.
Sarah, you. Sarah.
Sarah. Sharjah. Then Swan.
Hmm?
Steering wheel.
Okay. Shreya.
Shreya.
No copying, okay?
What?
No copying anybody.
Okay, let her play, Kshitija. Yes, Shreya, play.
Place Sri Lanka.
Okay, excellent. Next.
Animal, snake.
Okay.
Is that
Play. So,
thing? Sweater.
okay. And name Shreya. Okay. Now next letter is M. I'll say.
Ma'am, your name only.
No, I'll not take my name. Wait, no. Madras. Monkey. Money. Meera.
Okay.
Yes, Sarah.
Name.
No. Okay, sir.
Name Mariam.
Yes.
Place.
Then
Malawi.
Malawi. Okay.
Animal. Magpie.
Yes.
King.
Hmm. Um,
Machine.
Machine. Okay, Kshitija.
Yeah. Name Manjira.
Wow, 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 wow.
Place Moscow. Animal cow. I think mat.
Okay. Yeah.
What? I'll tell the name last.
Okay.
Place,
Hmm.
Mysore.
Yes.
Animal for monkey.
Okay.
Thing is mug.
Okay. Name
Name Mala.
Ala. Okay. Now, can we do this the last round, Kshitija? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I will choose the letter J. Okay.
Okay. J.
J. Name is Jaya.
I will also play with J.
Okay, Divya. J. Jaya. Name. Place. Animal jaguar. Place. Jalandhar. And thing jug. Sarah.
Name Julia. Then place jungle. Animal jaguar.
Okay.
And thing jackpot.
Jackpot. Divyan.
Place will be Jharkhand. Think. No. Name Julius. And the thing. J for. We have read J for Jack only.
You wear something you wear.
Mom. No.
You will tell in your turn. Wait, this is the last round anyway. Okay. Thing.
Pass. I'm just passing this.
Pass. Okay. Kshitija.
Yeah. Name Jasper. Place Japan. Animal jellyfish. And thing G.
Okay. Shreya.
Name. No, I tell the place. Jaipur.
Jaipur. Okay.
Animal.
Animal. Animal.
Thing is jar.
Okay.
Name is Jeevan.
Okay, an animal?
Name animal.
Jackal. Okay, so now let's wind up. You have a lot of work to do. You have to finish your presentation also, right? And
Yes.
send it to me. So yes, we will.
Ma'am, activity sheet.
Yes, assignment sheet you mean, right?
Yes.
I will send it to you. Don't worry. I'll make sure it reaches you as soon as possible. Okay?
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting?
All of us will be leaving the meeting. Okay? Chalo. Bye bye. All of you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Divyan.
Bye, mom. Thank you, mom.
You're most welcome. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
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 Sarah, you want to leave? Yes, you can leave.